Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can check your Zudio gift card balance. So method number one is by checking it via online or the Woohoo portal. So you can visit the Woohoo gift card balance page. So this one. And then from here, you just have to enter your 16-digit gift card number and the 6-digit PIN found on the back of the physical card of your e-voucher. So you just have to click on check balance and it will display your current balance instantly. Now for method number two is by visiting any Zudio store. So you can take your physical card to a nearby Zudio outlet and ask a staff member to check the balance for you in the store. And the last method is by contacting the Boohoo contact support. So if you have issues using the portal or on the store, you can reach out to the Woohoo support via their website or application. So you just have to provide your card number and PIN during the conversation, and then they will check the balance for you directly. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!